In this video, we're going to be solving this AMC 8 style question using methods of logic and reasoning, pretty much all we need to use to solve this question. No complex methods here, all we have to do is just look at the question and use some simple procedures to get to the answer. Here's the problem statement. Andy's bathtub faucet pours water in at the rate of 1 liter every 20 seconds, but their drain is stuck open and drains water out at the rate of 1 liter every 90 seconds. How long in minutes will it take to fill the 35-liter bathtub? So to solve this question, we're going to need to deal with the problem in steps, and figure out how many liters of water are going to be in the bathtub at different stages and amount of time along the way. So we can start off by thinking, what happens after 180 seconds? We choose 180 because it's 90 times 20. 180 is a multiple of both 90 and 20, which is going to make calculations really easy down the road when we go ahead and figure out what's going on when we do the computations. So our first step, after 180 seconds is what we need to figure out. How much water is going to be in the bathtub after 180 seconds? Okay, so they tell us the faucet pours water in at a rate of 1 liter every 20 seconds. So in 20 seconds, there's going to be 1 liter in the bathtub. So after 180 seconds, all we have to do here is do 180 divided by 90, because to figure out how many, or 180 divided by 20 if you want to figure out how much water goes in, because 20 is the how long it takes for 1 liter to go into the tub. And we're looking at the time scale of 180 seconds right now. So we need to do 180 divided by 20, which gives us 2 liters. So 2 liters is going into the bathtub. 2 liters, okay. So 2 liters out at that point. So after 180 seconds, 2 liters has gone out of the bathtub. Then we need to figure out how much water is going to go into the bathtub. So it's the same exact thing, 1 liter every 90 seconds. It's pretty simple to see that you've got the same procedure. 90 seconds, 1 liter has gone out of the bathtub. So we're just going to do 180 divided by 90 now. And that's going to give us, this is all reversed. So 180 divided by 20, that's going to give us 9 liters into the bathtub. And 180 divided by 90 is going to give us 2 liters into the bathtub. Okay, so basically what we have here is we've got 7 liters in the bathtub. That's all this results in. We don't need to really go anything crazy here. It's 7 liters in the bathtub after 180 seconds. So 180 seconds go by, there are 7 liters in there. And they want to know, they tell us it's a 35-liter bathtub. We could keep going here. We could move on to 30 seconds. And we could figure out how many liters are going to be in the bathtub after 360 seconds. So we have the same process, 360 over 20, which is going to be 18 liters in. And we have 360 over 90, which is going to be 4 liters out. Okay, so, and that's going to tell us that there's going to be 14 liters total inside the bathtub after 360 seconds. So we don't have to keep going. We see a pattern here now. It increases by 7 liters every 180 seconds. So, and we know the bathtub is going to be, it's 35 liters in capacity. So that's going to be 5 times. So 5 times, that's 180 times 5. So, and 180 times 5 in this case is going to give us 900. So we've pretty much solved the question here. That's 900 seconds. That's how long it's going to take for the bathtub to be, the 35-liter tub to be completely filled. 180 times 5, because each 7 liters takes 180 seconds to fill. So we've got 180 times 5 equals 900, and 900 seconds, that's 900 over 6 to convert to minutes. 900 over 6, that's going to be simply 15. So our answer is D, 15 minutes. That's how long it's going to take to fill the entire 35-liter bathtub. So all we have to do here is use a logical approach to figure out, dealing with the problem in stages, after 180 seconds, what's going to happen, based on the information they tell us on the water going in and the water going out. Then we find a pattern. After we look at 360 seconds, it goes up by 7 each time, and eventually we can just go all the way out to 35 liters and get to our answer. So that's how you would solve that AMC 8 style question.